Hello. Today we will solve this equation. So how we will solve this equation? We will solve first the division, then we will solve the multiplication, and then we will solve the addition. So first we will solve the division. So how we will do? We will do 4 multiplied by 2 plus 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. So how we will solve? 6 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. So 2 here what will come? 2 will come. So 2 will come. So we have solved the division. Now we will solve the multiplication. How we will solve the multiplication? 4 multiplied 2. What will come? 8 will come. And plus 2. Then we will solve. Now we will solve the addition. So how we will solve the addition? We will solve the addition. 8 plus 2. What is 10 is coming. So this is the answer. So we have solved question 1. Now we will solve question 2. How we will solve question 2? How we will solve this? We will solve first the division, then we will solve the multiplication, then we will solve the addition, and then we will solve the subtraction. So how we will solve this? 6 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. So 2 here 2 will come, and minus 2 plus 4 multiply by 2. Now we will solve the multiplication. So how we will solve the multiplication? Here all the integer will come the same, and we will solve the multiplication. So how we will solve? 4 multiply 2 8. Then we will solve. After multiplication we will solve the addition. So how we will solve the addition? So 2 8 plus 2. So 10 is coming. Now at last we will solve the subtraction. So 2 minus 10, what is coming? Minus 8. So this is the answer.